I'm going to show you how I pack for Disney World in only a personal item bag. So we're going to Disney World for 5 days and we're going to 4 of the parks there. So I have a lot of packing to do. So the way I pack for Disney World is I first pick out clothes for each park, Disney essentials, and any beauty or travel essentials that I need. So let's start off with the clothes. Starting with the clothes, I like to pack some mini ears, and I'm gonna wear these for all of my outfits. And the first day that we arrive, we're going to Epcot After Hours event. So for this day, I'm going to pack an oversized Disney World t-shirt, and I'm going to pair that with some Lululemon shorts. So this one's really cute and comfortable. So that's for the first day. And the second day is going to be Hollywood Studios, and I picked out this romper from Urban Outfitters, and it looks like this. It's ballet inspired, and it reminds me of like Daisy Duck. I don't know if you went on the Minnie and Mickey ride there. It reminds me of a little ballet scene in the ride, so I thought it would match for Hollywood Studios. Then our third day is going to be the Typhoon Lagoon H2O Glow event. So that event doesn't start until like the afternoon at 6 p.m. So during the day I'm going to need an outfit, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to pack yet. But the first option would be this dress. And this is from Love and Lemons. And it has spaghetti straps and it's a baby doll dress. So I thought this might be cute during the day. But I also have a romper from Urban Outfitters. And it has flowers and ruffles on it. So leave a comment below on which one you think I should wear for during the day. And now on to what I'm going to wear to the water park. So for the water park, I'm going to wear this one piece, and this is from Abercrombie. And for the rest of the trip, like swimming in the hotel pool or anything like that, I'm going to be bringing this floral bikini from PacSun. And this cover up from Lulu's. So our fourth day is going to be Animal Kingdom, and I have this romper from Princess Polly, and to me it looks very safari inspired and matches the vibe. So I'm gonna be wearing this, and I'll probably wear a little beige tank top underneath it. And our last day, we're going to be going to Disney Springs and doing some mini golf, and then having our flight back home. So I picked out a cute casual outfit, and I have a tank top from Princess Polly, and it's a gray tank top with a little bow in the center, and I'm going to pair this with some white linen shorts from, I think these are Hollister. These are all the outfits I'm going to be bringing for the trip, and I hope it gave you some outfit inspiration or helped with what you're thinking to bring. So onto the shoes. For shoes, I'm only going to be packing 2 since I don't have much space, and I'm going to wear some black Birkenstocks for on the plane and to the water parks. And then while I'm in the park, I'll wear these Dr. Scholl sandals, and these are the only shoes that I can wear there that don't hurt my feet at the end of the night. So if you're looking for good shoes to wear, I recommend these. And lastly, I almost forgot to bring a rain jacket because I'm going in June and it's probably gonna rain pretty often. I'm gonna be bringing this red rain jacket to throw in my bag.
Baby shampoo and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars.
So the first thing I like to have is a portable charger in case my phone starts dying and I can charge it throughout the day. Then I also like to bring a mini fan, and I just got this lollipop fan from Amazon. And then lastly, I like to bring my Stitch Magic Band because it's pretty convenient to use if you need to get into your hotel room. or for scanning it for anything around the parks.
Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else.
Once I set aside everything I'm bringing, I like to use my canvas backpack from Roxy to pack all my items in. So in the front pocket, I like to put toiletries such as my toothbrush, hand sanitizer, razors, my fan, my portable charger, and as well as any items I need.
Living day to day, we should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. 'Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the bees looking for honey, and I don't know what I should say. People ask us what we're doing, but it's all kind of confusing. It's like waiting for something great. And finally when you got it, wasn't everything you wanted. So you sit and grin and bear it. It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you still okay.
For the larger pocket, I put my shoes at the bottom of it, and then I rolled up all of the clothes that I'm going to be bringing for the trip. I also made space in the back to fit my mini ears in.
I don't want anything else but you. Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from
After I put the clothes, I put any other accessories I'm bringing, like my hair tie, scrunchies, as well as a bag with any shower essentials and sunscreen.
into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true.
The last thing I did was zip the backpack up and press it down. So I was able to pack everything I needed for a 5-day trip at Disney World, and then once I'm at the resort, I like to unpack the bag and use it as my backpack to take to the park.
I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have to fade away, but till you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day, we should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. 'Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you.
So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it gave you some ideas for your next trip, and stay tuned for some vlogs. Bye!